Hi students, 12th Standard Accountancy, Chapter 1, Accounts from Incomplete Records, Exercise Sum number 6. Chapter 1, Exercise Sum number 6. Let's read the question. Following are the balances in the books of Thomas as on 31st March 2019. The informations are given below. Let's read the information. Sundry creditors, furniture, land and building, sundry debtors, bills payable, cash in hand, bills receivable, stock. Okay. What they asked, they required to prepare the statement of affairs as on 31st March 2019 and calculated capital as at the date. Okay. What they asked, we are going to prepare the statement of affairs to find out or to calculate the capital. Okay, what is meant by statement of affairs? The statement of affairs means they have given asset items and liability items. So the difference between the asset and liabilities, the difference between value is capital. So we are going to find out the capital from assets and liabilities. Difference between assets and liabilities. Okay, so for that what we have to do, first we are going to mark the given item. So sundry creditors means what? Liability side. We already know, we already studied which item belongs to asset item, which items belongs to liability items. We already studied in the 11th standard. Okay, in balance sheet. Okay, so sundry creditors goes to liability side. So first we are going to write the heading. What is the heading? In the books of whose books is this? They given the question Thomas. Okay, as on 31st March 2019. So the heading is in the books of Thomas, statement of affairs as on 31st March 2019. Then what we have to do? We are going to prepare the assets and liabilities. Okay, so statement of affairs, liability side, on left hand side we called as liability side, right hand side we called as asset side. Okay, what are the items belongs to assets and liabilities? We already studied in 11th standard. So we are going to enter the items and amount in the amount column. Okay, so sundry creditors 6,000 rupees goes to liability side. Furniture is an asset item, goes to asset side 80,000 rupees. Land and building belongs to asset items, goes to enter on asset side 3 lakh rupees. Sundry debtors 3,20,000 rupees entered on asset side. Bills payable belongs to liability side, entered 1,20,000 rupees, and bills receivable belongs to asset items, entered 60,000 rupees on asset side, and stock how much rupees? 2,20,000 rupees, which belongs to asset items. So we are going to enter stock on asset side 2,20,000 rupees. So given information we entered respectively on asset and liability side. So what we have to do now we are going to find out the total on both the side. First we are going to find out the total on asset side. Okay, so 80,000 plus 3 lakhs plus 3,20,000 plus 20,000 plus 60,000 plus 2,20,000, we got 10 lakh rupees on asset side. Which side we have the higher value, that side we consider as the total. So listen, asset side we got 10,000 rupees total. Then we add the liability side 6 lakh rupees plus 1,20,000, we got 7,20,000 rupees. So which side as here? Liability side we have 7,20,000 rupees. Asset side we have 10 lakh rupees. Which side has the higher value? Of course, asset side we have the higher value. So asset side, that means higher side value we consider as the total. Okay, so 10 lakh rupees we entered on both sides as the total. Higher value amount we entered on both the side, asset side and liability side. To 10 lakh rupees we entered because this is the higher value. Then we are going to find out the difference between the asset and liability. So asset side value is 10 lakh rupees. So liability side value is 6 lakhs plus 1,20,000. 7,20,000 rupees. We are going to subtract it 7,20,000 rupees from total 10 lakh. What we got? We got 2,80,000 rupees. Okay, so this is the balancing figure. The 2,80,000 rupees is called as capital. Capital always shows on liability side. To find out the capital, we need to prepare the statement of affairs. Statement of affairs is nothing but it shows assets and liabilities. The difference between the assets and liabilities, we find out the capital. Okay. Do you have any doubt? Please comment it in the comment box. Thank you. Take care.